Microsoft Copilot is a cutting-edge AI-driven tool designed to significantly enhance productivity across various Microsoft 365 applications. By integrating AI capabilities directly into familiar software environments like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, Microsoft Copilot aims to streamline workflows, automate routine tasks, and provide intelligent insights to users. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Copilot provides real-time suggestions and recommendations based on the context of the work being performed. Users can interact with Copilot using natural language, making it easier to execute commands and retrieve information. Copilot is able to automate the workflow, automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, formatting, and generating reports, freeing up time for more strategic activities. It is able to seamlessly integrate with other Microsoft 365 apps, enabling automated workflows across different platforms. Copilot can suggest code completion, draft emails and letters, and even summarize documents. This eliminates the need to type everything out from scratch, saving your significant time and effort. Imagine completing reports or proposals much quicker by having Copilot handling the initial legwork. A report says vast number of Microsoft Enterprise customers are leveraging Copilot to streamline and enrich their employee experiences from collaborating on worldwide research projects while saving time on daily tasks to driving productivity and enhancing decision-making to streamlining workflows, improving communications and reducing admin workloads. Microsoft Copilot is set to revolutionize how technology is integrated into daily workflows by positioning itself at the center of productivity. By leveraging advanced AI and machine learning capabilities, Copilot aims to transform how users interact with Microsoft 365 applications, ultimately enhancing efficiency, collaboration, and decision-making processes. Copilot represents a significant advancement in leveraging AI to enhance productivity within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. By automating routine tasks, providing intelligent insights, and fostering better collaboration, Copilot has the potential to transform the way individuals and teams work. Let's look into today's headlines. Apple gives a makeover to Siri. At Apple's annual Worldwide Developers Conference, that is WWDC 2024, kicked off yesterday, the iPhone maker has introduced a highly anticipated new version of Apple's voice assistant Siri. The updated Siri is enhanced with advanced generative AI capabilities through a new system called Apple Intelligence. Apple has given the new AI powers to Siri to improve its functionality, making it more natural, context-aware, and deeply integrated within Apple's ecosystem. Elon Musk to ban Apple devices if OpenAI integrated into OS. Elon Musk said he would ban Apple devices from his companies if OpenAI's artificial intelligence software is integrated at the operating system level, calling the tie-up a security risk. His remark followed a presentation by Apple when the iPhone maker said that customers would have access to OpenAI's ChatGPT chatbot through the Siri digital assistant. Musk co-founded OpenAI but had a fallout with the company. Nokia makes world's first immersive voice and audio call over cellular network. Nokia has made the world's first live immersive voice and audio call over a cellular network. Nokia's president and CEO held a live immersive audio and video call with Stefan Lindström, Finland's ambassador of digitalization and new technologies. The call was enabled by the new immersive voice and audio services Kodact technology, which is part of the upcoming 5G advanced standard. iOS 18 to let users hide and lock apps. Apple has announced a new feature that will allow users to lock or hide apps in iOS 18. Users will be able to lock an app when they hand over their phone to someone. When an app is locked, if someone tries to tap the phone, they will be required to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. Users can also hide an app that they don't want others to know is installed. With a focus on technology and manufacturing, Ashwini Vaishnaw assumes leadership of the IT Ministry. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw again takes charge of IT Ministry in the newly formed Modi 3.0 government. He declared that the government will continue advancing its tech-driven agenda to solidify India's position as a global leader in the production of semiconductors and electronics as well as a center for technology and digital innovation. In charge of the Ministry of Electronics and IT, that is METI, he said that during the past 10 years, the Modi government's Digital India initiatives, that is Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and other enabling programs have transformed society and empowered the average citizen. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.